Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and like it. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can hide photos on your iPhone or iPad so that they are password protected in your gallery. That is, you have some photos that you want to hide from other people. And in order to later see these photos, you will need to enter either the password code from your phone, Face ID, or Touch ID. In order to do this, we go to the gallery of our iPhone, find the photo we need that we want to hide, press the button, Select. We select the photo we need. Now here we click the three dots and click the button, Hide. Click Hide to Photo, All. Now here we click on the button, Albums, and go down to the very bottom. We have an item here, Hidden. That is, we click Albums, go down, and we have a hidden album here. Here it is. Now if I click on it, they ask me for Face ID. And this gallery opens, that is, hidden photos. All these hidden photos are here. If, for example, you don't have this album here, you will need to go to your iPhone's settings. Now here we have to go lower in the settings and find here, Photo. Now here we go down and select Show Hidden Albums. We must have this item enabled. And here it must be enabled, Use Face ID. If you have it turned off, you will not be asked for a passcode for either Face ID or Touch ID. That is, these 2 points should be enabled, and you will have this gallery. See you later.